Okay, so we have we call it a semi-automatic transmission, Eaton Fuller transmission, which pretty much reacts just like a manual transmission, but it's automatized gear shifting by itself, just by simply putting the reverse, neutral, or drive, or you can do the low. So in order to properly engage this PTO, since we don't have a clutch for it, we only have the brake and the accelerator pedal. We're gonna, right now the truck, it's in neutral, as you can see here. It's in neutral, so I'm gonna put it in drive. Okay? And the reason why I'm just gonna put it in drive is for basically any rotating gear in the transmission to come make it into a stop, so I can properly engage my PTO gear by the means of an air shift. Therefore the gears go in properly without nothing clashing against each other. And then I'm gonna go ahead and select neutral. Okay, so now if I desire to spray either from the front, left, or either side sprayer, or we have some two rear sprayers, simply just push on, give me neutral, PTO on, and I'm gonna go ahead and just give it a little bit of gas, and there you go. Okay, so and now if we're gonna go to drive, in this case, I'm gonna just go ahead and shut off my switch since I'm not gonna be driving with it right now. You're just gonna go to drive, and in this particular case, if we select the drive, we're gonna go to the manual selector, which is the M. And it automatically starts in number 2 gear. This is how I'm gonna be doing my video on the 2 gear. I think that's the best speed for it. I mean, you can always lower down if you need to. If you want to go to number first, just go arrow down and you go to number 1, which is gonna give you basically the RPM. Everything's gonna move in faster, so there's gonna be more output. But I think for the speed for this particular unit, I think gear number 2 selection will be right on. If you decide to go to the next one, you can also just by simply just press plus and the truck will shift like a manual transmission, but it's a push button to the next gear, which is number 3. Very simple system, very simple. You can go to automatized or manual selector. So that's how basically this particular system works. So I'm gonna show the video using the number 2 gear, and we'll show that in the next video.